on here, Lupasafe. The feature we're going to look in now is the scanning of websites, portals, servers, and I need to say routers. What does it do? It is a classic website domain scanning feature, and it probes the domains and IP addresses for servers that are available, software that's available, software problems, for example. Let's have a look. You can add your domains in different ways. You can find them based on your domain. It's a powerful feature. If you're new to a client and you want to show all the domains, subdomains they're having on the internet, you can manually enter a domain and you can import domains from a CSV file. So let's say you are a web developer and you have like 1,000 domain names. This is the preferred way to go ahead. All right, let's have a look what's in there. So you can see for Lupasafe, we have this list of domains in there. There are 10 of them, and each domain has, of course, a domain name. It has a software risk score, right, from 0 to 100. We have a look at the strength of the encryption, right, SSL TLS, and that goes from 0 to 10. Then we check the security headers. This is how secure your website is for visitors. And we have the status, the hosting party. So in case you want to follow up with a fix or an improvement needs to be made, you can have a call with the hosting provider. And there are some actions you can take. You can see the details, you can pause the scanning, disable it, or even remove it. For each website, if possible, we take a screenshot to see how does the page look like. And yeah, that's it. So, okay, let's have a look at lupasafe.com. There are at the moment, in this case, no open ports. And what happened here is the Lupasafe server has been, Lupasafe domain actually, our website, blocks scans. It's one of the tests we run, and it works brilliantly on our own website. So that's a good check you can take, because you actually don't want people to scan them. Of course, there are websites that we include in scanning. Let's have a look here at the status for Scopus Lab, for example. And what do you see here? There's a port scan. So that's the first thing that stands out. What kind of ports are exposed? Ports are doors in your building, your digital building. And these ports have a number. They have a sort of function. Is it a window? Is it a door, right? And the service name. What kind of software is behind it? And then the software version. The fewer ports, the better. Also, not disclosing the service name is powerful, because that limits the options for an attacker, and it's definitely the service version, because that makes it hard to find out what kind of vulnerabilities are tied to this software. That's open ports. Second thing is security headers. So security headers tell you something about how safe the website is for visitors. And Lupasafe documentation goes into detail. But for example, you want to limit cross-site scripting, iframes, all those items. And if you go here, you can find some details and some advice how to improve the security header. This is sort of an upcoming topic, basically. Then we'll have a look at the SSL TLS scan for now. And this shows you the different types of encryptions and schemes that are offered, the versions. You can look into the details. It depends. This is more a compliancy item, like what are you required, for example. And you want to check you're not using outdated protocols, right? So this looks quite okay, actually. And lastly, any vulnerabilities. So Lupasafe checks for different types of vulnerabilities. These are done based on the web page vulnerability scanning, and they're classified as the level, medium, and low, and when they were found, right? So here's some demo data on the this website that you can find, and you can investigate them and see if you can, for example, suppress them, right? Or export them and have someone follow up on this. So that's a quick summary of the external scanning of different domains, portals, and routers.